I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Connecting a new device to your Visible account is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Access the Visible app. Open the Visible app on your smartphone. If you don't have it installed, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Step 2. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Select Add Device. Once logged in, navigate to the Account tab and select the option to add device. This is where you can start the process of connecting your new device. Step 4. Enter device information. Input the necessary details for your new device, such as the IMEI number. You can find this number in the device settings or by dialing ***6#. Step 5. Confirm and activate. Review the information you entered and confirm the changes. Your new device should now be activated on your Visible account. If you encounter issues, try restarting your device. I hope this guide helps you connect your new device with these. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.